Guys, I'll take you down Soi 7. So Soi 7 is I'd say it's an up and coming street. There's a lot of new bars. Delusion's are very popular. It's Mac TV's bar. But in there it's pretty good. It's got a pretty good happening vibe. So yeah, if you're on the Soi, check it out for sure. But lots of great bars on Soi 7, so I think it's really underrated part of Pattaya. Hello. And yeah, let me take you to some of my favourite spots. Haven't really been in there. But I do like Airport. Airport 2 is good value for money. It's relaxing. It's not overly expensive. Got a good view of the street. Yeah, very much rate Airport 2 as a spot to check out. Good vibe inside. That's where I'm staying, the Blackwoods Hotel. And do I recommend it? Short answer, yes. Good rooms, good staff, good location. Breakfast is so-so, but you know, I put up with it. Good experience, so yeah, I'd probably stay there again. I would say. Yeah, high class experience. Yeah, do rate. You got Edric's, good bar. Happy hour 79. Can't really complain there. Continue down. Airport 1 there. Some massage if you want to get a massage. Pattaya Glow is a new establishment. They do mini golf, so if that's your thing, then you should come check it out. It's quite quiet in there though, so particularly look like it's going off, but who knows, I'll check it out one day. A lot of your old school beer bars around here, so yeah, if you're looking for something a little bit more traditional, then old school beer bar action is around here. Tends to get a bit livelier later on. It's very early, it's only 1:30, so not even close to being prime time. Hello. Again, a lot of open air beer bars on 7. You can sort of see 7 is getting a facelift. I think it's only a matter of time before there's a few of these beer bars gone. Maybe something better comes along. I think there's only so much you can have of the same thing. So I think long term, I think they'll do something. They'll do something with it. There are a few cool spots I'm yet to check out. Towards the end of this Soi, I actually wouldn't mind checking out this German place, Beer Stubel. I hope that's how you say it. Pretty sure they've got German beer, so I'm actually craving a nice craft beer would be nice. So yeah, I think I might check that out. Pay a bit more, but hey, get what you pay for. So yeah, I think I might check that out. It looks very traditional inside, so yeah, why not? The Black Angels is a bit of an establishment. It's been around for a while. Rock music and whatnot. A few more beer bars. massage joints. Oh, that's interesting. Telephone. Well, it takes us to the end of the soy, so that's 7. Let me know what you think. Does this soy interest you? Is it someplace you'd like to come? That is the soy 7 tour.